I recently picked up the WaterDrop X16 reverse osmosis system. Inside the box, you have the main unit itself. And on this main unit, you have the front panel that attaches magnetically, and it exposes the 3 filters here. These are the filter life indicators. These will glow if something is needing attention. On the top here, you have your connection points for the water. You have the pure water, the drain water, and the inlet. And then on the back, towards the bottom, you have your power source here. Inside the box, you also get the AC adapter and a bunch of other accessories. You got your user manual, a bunch of tubing, and adapters, and some Teflon tape. They give you everything you need to install it, even a sticker to drill the hole in your countertop. This faucet really stands out. This thing looks amazing. It's this nice matte black finish, and it's made of metal, so it feels very high quality. On the top here, it has this nice interface where it shows the TDS and the amount of water that you're using. It also has different indicators for UV and each of the filters here. You can peel this sticker off, and this is where it will display once you have this plugged in and powered on. Right here is the knob. You press this down and water will begin filtering and shooting out this faucet here. You can rotate this. It has a really nice accurate feel to it. Has a little notch for every turn, so you can get precise amounts of water through the faucet. Bottom of the faucet is pretty non-discreet, but there is the exit for the water. Overall, I'm really excited to get this up and running. I will be installing this soon, and I will post an update video when I have done that, and I'll show you how it works.